Obama ni Congress Bawmh Hnatlakpinak ahal Africa nitlak lei a rualopi in hung chuak mi le thi nak achwa tar khomi Ebola dok nak dinga US President Obama ni American dollar 6 billion sterling pound in 3.8 billion Bawmh ding in Congress Hnatlakpinak athar chwa than.
We cannot beat Ebola without more funding. If we want other countries to keep stepping up, we will have to continue to lead the way. And that's why I'm calling on Congress to approve our emergency funding request to fight this disease before they leave for the holidays. It's a good Christmas present to the American people and to the world.
President ni the National Institute of Health alen liu na a scientist Paul Andian tron naksi vaccine lompi nakle nol nak bia jong achim the medical charity Medicine Sans Frontiers MSF ni International Poll amot chat ngai na arwang chu Andian tron naka chambao nak tampi anton cha asi UK ni Sierra Leone le naite a China ni Liberia a Ebola thobul nak in sak chwa ma leu pi si dia the MSF report ni chim